factors that lead people away from the worship of God.
Big and technology advancement, drug and substance abuse, poverty or unemployment, obsession of power, education, answered prayers, emergence of different beliefs, cults, religions,
pluralism. Haya, sawa. Thank you. So we are in question 3A. Next.
Identify 6 factors which lead to widespread idolatry in Israel during the time of Prophet Elijah. The foreign princes married to Israelite kings brought with them idol worship. False prophets were brought to Israel. Israelites changed their lifestyle from pastoralism to agriculture when they settled in Canaan, and this forced them to worship the gods of fertility. Israelites worship God and Baal gods on different occasions. Syncretism. The kings built temples for Baal worship in the northern kingdom of Israel. Temple prostitution. Israelites felt God and forsaken them after they were defeated in wars by neighboring nations, turned to other gods. The true prophets of Yahweh who were in Israel were being persecuted. The kings made festivals for the Canaanite gods to be on the same dates as those of the Jewish calendar, as Israelites were influenced to worship idols. King Ahab made Baalism the official state religion. The rampant presence of visible idols compared to one unseen God, Yahweh.
Yes, very good. Question 3B.
Give 6 reasons why Naboth refused to sell the vineyard to King Ahab. The land belonged to God. The land belonged to the family. Ancestral poverty, individual had no right to sell. The land was inherited from one generation to the next generation. Naboth respected the Mosaic law, which gave guidelines on land issues, or Naboth did not disobey God. The land was given to the Israelites to settle on. It was not meant for sale. It was Naboth's only piece of land, and it was very beautiful.
No, it was only land. You are beautiful, iko hapo. No, imeandikwa but it's not correct, right? Next. Thank you.